The Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, Paula Llewellyn, is to rule whether charges should be laid against the policeman accused of murdering his wife in Tower Isle, St. Mary last week. Indicom investigators yesterday questioned Corporal Kirk Lawrence in the presence of his attorney, Oswest Senior Smith. The investigators say they will submit a file to the DPP. Corporal Lawrence, who is attached to the Trelawney Police Proactive Unit, was taken into custody last Tuesday following the fatal shooting of his wife, 45-year-old Janet Hardy Lawrence. The incident took place at the couple's home. An autopsy is to be performed next week.
The location for a new drop-in center for homeless people in the corporate area has been identified. Stakeholders, including representatives of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, toured the location on Tuesday.
It formerly housed a health clinic, but following the local government minister's announcement of a new drop-in center for the homeless in the corporate area, 163 to 167 King Street in Kingston has been selected for its construction. Mayor of Kingston, Delroy Williams, toured the location along with representatives of the National Health Fund and the Jamaica Social Investment Fund on Tuesday.
It's very important for us, and the minister has reiterated that it's important for us to improve the quality of care for the homeless, and we also have to attend to the increasing needs of homeless across the municipality.
Mr. Williams says currently close to 400 homeless people converge on the Marie Atkins shelter on Hanover Street daily for food. That facility can only house 120 persons by night. It's expected that this new drop-in center will take the burden off that shelter.
Here it will be approximately 100 persons. So there will be a section for males and another for females. So totaling 100. Of course, that would not stop. So that is for persons who are residing or sleeping here. That would not stop other homeless persons from coming in during the days and having a meal or a shower and so forth.
It's understood that the plan was started by Desmond McKenzie during his time as mayor of Kingston. The project is now at the approval stage. The application is to be presented at this week's building meeting before going on to the procurement phase. Construction is expected to start by October this year and is projected to take 1 year. Herman Green, TVJ News.